Hello, I am Deepti and I welcome you to the first episode of Physics Talk. Today's topic is dual nature of light. Newton had proposed that light consisted of a beam of particles in his corpuscular theory of light. Later, some scientists like Huygens pointed towards the wave nature of light. In fact, some experiments, such as those dealing with interference and diffraction of light, showed the wave nature of light. Afterwards, optics, that is the branch dedicated to the study of light, was integrated into electromagnetic theory, and it was proved that light was in fact an electromagnetic radiation. But then the phenomenon of black body radiation remained unexplained, even within the framework of electromagnetic theory. In 1900, Max Planck came up with a formula that explained black body radiation, and he showed that this formula could be derived on the basis of quantization of electromagnetic radiation. Einstein revisited the particle theory of light in 1905, where he generalized Planck's hypothesis. In fact, he claimed that a beam of light of frequency nu contained photons, that is, the particles of light. And if the frequency was nu, then each of the photons possessed an energy h nu, where h was Planck's constant with the value 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. In fact, Einstein also showed that this particular theory could explain the phenomenon of photoelectric effect. Later on, the double slit experiment showed that if only one nature of light is considered, that is either particle or wave, the experimental results cannot be explained. In order to do that, we need to consider dual nature of light. In fact, now we know that light has a dual nature. It behaves simultaneously like a wave as well as like a flux of particles. The dynamic parameters of the particles, such as energy E and photon momentum P, are linked with wave parameters, such as frequency nu and wave vector k. The relationship is E is equal to h nu, where E is energy, h is Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency. If we denote h cross equal to h divided by 2 pi, then the same equation E is equal to h nu can be rewritten as E is equal to h cross omega. Similarly, momentum P can be rewritten as P is equal to h cross k, where k is the wave vector. So now we know that light has dual nature, both wave and a particle.